Hey everyone, it's Louise. I'm on day 5 of my recovery from hip surgery. And don't worry, I've already done this once, so I've vetted this out already, so I know I'm good. But I just wanted to let you know where I am in my recovery, and I also have a question for you at the end of this. So that's why I've just got this posted on my community page. I'll tell you what, doing this in the spring is probably a good idea because look how I'm dressed. I could be comfortable and I don't have to put on a lot of clothes. I can wear slippers or I can wear nothing. Well, nothing on my feet. Anyway, this is actually really not a problem for me. I did walk back up the stairs by myself. I had to lead, just so you know, with my good leg, one step at a time. So I wasn't ready to put weight on this leg, the surgical leg, going up the stairs yet. But you know, part of the process of healing is knowing your limitations, but still challenging yourself to get to the next level without hurting yourself. So anyway, that's where we are. So of course, while I was down the stairs, I had to visit my art room, and while I was in there, I decided to pose a question for you guys for an upcoming video. All right, everyone, I have a question for you guys. Which of these two Lazy Susan color palettes would you like me to share with you if you had a choice between one or the other? This darker green color palette or a lighter one? Similar color palettes, just done a little bit differently with one color difference. So let me know by leaving your thoughts in the comments. Thanks a lot, everybody.